So we got this situation. In a study about pandemic, the data of 900% was collected. It was found that 190% had symptom of fever. So let's write down these data. So N of fever is 190. 220% had symptom of cough. So N of cough is 220. 220% had symptom of breathing problem. So N of B is 220. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. 330% had symptom of fever or cough or both. So they are talking about or. Or means union. N of fever union cough is 330. 350% had symptom of cough or breathing problem. So N of cough union breathing problem. So it is 350. 340% had symptom of fever or breathing problem or both. Again they are talking about or. So it is fever N of F union breathing problem B. So it is 340. Okay. 30% had symptom of all three symptoms. Okay, so we have N of fever intersection cough intersection B, means that person is having fever as well as cough as well as breathing problem. So they are 30 in count. Okay, now if a person is chosen randomly from these 900%, then the probability that the person had at most one symptom. So at most one symptom means what? Person can have zero symptom, person can have one symptom. So what we will do? We will try to take help of Venn diagram. Okay. So you know that there are three problems. So we will make three sets. Okay. So this is three bubble along with a universal set. Okay, because there are some person who doesn't have any problem. Okay, now let's put these data into the rooms. You know that whenever we have to fill these brackets, we will try to take help of, we will initiate from the innermost room, means we will start from this room. Okay, so this is fever cough breathing problem. So we will initiate with the innermost one, means we will write down the person who is having fever as well as breathing problem as well as cough. So this is 30. Okay, now we have to handle this room, this room, this room. So these are the person who is having exactly two disease. Okay, so for that we have to find out F intersection C, but you have F intersection C, F union C. So you don't have F intersection C. So first try to solve for that one. So can I go with the union formula? So N of F union C is what? N of F plus N of C minus N of F intersection C. You know that F union C is what? 330. So it is 330 equals N of F was 190. 190 plus N of cuff is what? 220. So it is 220 minus N of F intersection C. So N of F intersection C will become what? 0, 1, 4 minus 330. So it is 80. Okay, so F intersection C is what? 80. So F intersection C is this, which is 80, and you guys have already used 30, so it is 50. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. Okay, so we will go with F union C. So this time we will go with N of C union B. Okay, so N of C plus N of B minus N of C intersection B. So cuff union breathing problem. So cuff union breathing problem is what? 330. Okay, so we will use this data. So it is 3 330 350. Okay, so it is 350. Now n of cuff was 220, so 220. N of breathing problem was also same, 220. So 220 minus N of C intersection B. So N of C intersection B is what? 440 minus 350. So 50 and 40 is 90. So this thing is 90. So C intersection B is 90. This means this is 90. We guys have already used 30. So it is 60. Okay. Now we will go with F union B. N of F union B. So it is N of F plus N of B minus N of F intersection B. So N of F union B is what? 340. So 340. N of F was 190. N of B was 220 minus N of F intersection B. N of F 190, 220. Yes, correct. So N of F intersection B is equal to same thing, 410 minus 340. So 60 and then 70. So this is 70. So this thing is 70. We guys have already used 30. So it is 40. Okay. Now we have to fill these rooms. These rooms are the person who is having exactly one problem. Okay, so look at this. So N of F is 190. So N of F is 190. So this is 50 and this is 40. So it is 90. So remaining is 100. This is 30. So this will be 70. Correct? I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now N of C is 220. So 60 and 30 is 90. 90 and 50 is 140. So 60 and 20. So this thing will be 80. Okay. I hope till this part you are comfortable. Okay. Now you have to think about breathing problem. So this is 130. We have 220. So 70, 20, 90. So this room will be 90. Correct. Now you have to fill this room. In this room, those person will stay who doesn't have any problem. Okay. So we will add everything, and we will subtract it from the total number of person, which is 900. Okay, if you'll observe, you have everywhere 0 at the unit place. So 8, 7, 15, 5, 20, 20, then 30, 33, 33, and 90 is 42. So 420. So if you'll subtract 900 and 420, you will be left with 480. Now, what was the required thing? Required thing was, if a person is chosen randomly from these 900 person, the probability that the person had at most one symptom. So at most one symptom means what? Required number will be the number of person having zero symptom. Zero symptom means what? 480. The number of person who is having one symptom means what? 70 plus 80 plus 90 divided by total number of person. Total number of person is 900. So if you will add, this is 80, so it is 24, 42, 72. So it is 720 by 900. So the probability is this. I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations. And these type of questions requires your patience, nothing else. Okay.